Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a playlist from Spotify to Soundcloud. First, open the browser and search for Tune My Music. Click on the first website that's shown here. Then, click on Spotify and click on Agree to allow Spotify to connect to Tune My Music. Open a new tab and visit the Spotify website. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. On the left side panel, you'll find the playlist. Now, right-click on the playlist and select the Share option. Here, select the Copy Link to Playlist option. Next, paste the link in the given area of Tune My Music. Hit the Load from URL button and mark a tick on the playlist. After that, click on Choose Destination and select SoundCloud. Continue with Google and choose your Google account. Enter your username, age, and enter your gender. Hit the Connect and Continue button and click on Start Transfer. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.